guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Jalissa. Oh my god, we just reached 5,000 YouTube subscribers. Thank you so much to everybody who has supported me. Thank you so much to everybody who has subscribed to my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I have so many videos coming up. I have more hair videos coming up. I have some skincare videos coming up. I have just like a bunch of interesting videos coming up, and I'm going to the Dominican Republic soon, and I have some videos that I'm going to film over there, some traveling vlogs. So really stay tuned, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Tell your mama to subscribe, tell your friends to subscribe, tell your cousins to subscribe, and let's just grow this family on YouTube that we have right now. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much for the support. So today we are actually going to try out this new flat iron from Revlon. So this iron has like this comb attached to it, so I wonder what this is gonna do to my hair. I know my hair is sort of like straight right now. I did blow it out maybe like 2 days ago, so I will do this on kind of like straight hair, but also I'm gonna wet my hair in a little bit. I'm gonna do like a section of curly hair, so that way you guys can kind of see how it works on curly hair, because I want to see how this works on natural curly hair too. So yeah, you can get this on Amazon. I got mine from Amazon for about $45. So let's see if it's worth it. So this is a 1.5 inch plate, so you can't really do any like curls with it. I mean, I don't really do any curls with flat iron anymore, so I don't really care, but just to let you guys know that it is a 1.5, so it's a little bit bigger. I haven't opened this yet, as you can see, so this is going to be a first impressions right here in my channel. It goes up to 455 degrees Fahrenheit, so it gets pretty hot. 63% more shine. Ooh, I'm very excited about that because I love products that make your hair shiny. So this heats up in 10 seconds. So I don't know, I'm gonna time it just to see if it actually heats up in 10 seconds. I feel like that is super fast, so that would be great if this heats up in 10 seconds. Like, that's pretty fast. So the comb is removable and you can attach it, take it off if you want. So we're just gonna try it out. Let's do this right now. I'm actually gonna wet my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, so my hair didn't get that curly, but I mean, you can see that it is pretty frizzy, pretty poofy. So it's not like super curly or anything, because since my hair was straight and then I just wet it and then I dried it, it just didn't get as curly. But if I were to like shampoo and condition it and all that, I feel like it would have gotten a lot curlier. But this is what we're working with today. As you can see, it has some texture. It is very poofy and very frizzy, so I mean, let's see if the straightener does something to get this straight. Okay, so let's open this up. So this is the attachment, and I thought that it was going to bring this like comb thingy on both sides, but I guess that didn't happen. It's just on one side, which is interesting, but we'll see how it works. And then this is the straightener. It looks very fancy, very elegant. I love how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on and put a timer to see if it really only takes 10 seconds to warm up. So right now it is flashing, so I guess that means that it is warming up. Oh, it actually, okay. So I would say that it took about 13 seconds to warm up, maybe 15. I kind of started this a little bit after I touched the button, but I mean, that is still pretty fast. So I'm gonna try to attach this. So we're actually going to try this side first, because I want to see what this little comb can do for your hair when it's like kind of wavy on the top, like kind of like from a blowout. So let's see. Whoa, oh my god, do you see that? Oh my god, it's so hot. Oh my god. Okay, so it definitely gave it a lot of shine, but I feel like that's just way too hot. Like, I don't feel comfortable putting it that hot. I'm just gonna bring it back down. I'm gonna put it down to like 360 or something. You can still see that steam. It's crazy, but I do like how it looks. And I would just stick to like 365 degrees because it almost did the same thing. I mean, the other one was super hot and it was very quick. Like, it got my hair straight very quickly, but I just don't feel comfortable having it that high. Okay, now we're gonna try it without the comb and see if it does a big difference. I'm gonna take a section back here. Okay, so I feel like it is almost the same thing, but I'm actually feeling the comb. I like the comb. I don't know why. It looks like it doesn't really do much, and it almost is the same without it. But I just feel like it's kind of brushing my hair too. Not pulling it, just like brushing it and making it look very smooth and very like put together. So I'm gonna put it back on. And so now I'm just gonna finish this side, and then I'm gonna go straight to the curly side. Wow. I mean, look at that. Look at that shine. What? I mean, that's really nice. I really like this straightener. I think this is actually really, really good. So I would totally recommend this. But now let's try it on curly hair. So I honestly probably would never just straighten my hair straight from curly hair, just because I prefer to blow it out and then use a straightener. But we're gonna do it for the video. So I guess we're gonna take like a small section, maybe this section right here. Pretty straight with one pass. Very nice, very nice. Let's try without the comb, because now I feel like with my curly hair it is kind of pulling my hair. So I guess I'm gonna take another section, this section right here. So okay, so it's almost straight. I mean, let's see with another pass. I'm sure that at 450 it would have been straight, and that's actually what we're gonna try next, to see if at 455 it gets straight with one pass. So this is at 365 with 2 passes. It's not bad, but let's do one more. I feel like with one more it's just gonna get straight. With one more. Okay, so there it is. With 3 passes it is pretty straight and it has a lot of shine. Okay, so let's try this 455 on somewhat curly hair. Let's see how quickly this can get my hair straight. Let's see if it does it in one pass. Okay, so it kind of did get it pretty straight. I'm just gonna bring it back to 365 because I feel like it's not worth it. It's not worth having it that high. I'm gonna take this off. I feel like it's pulling my hair a lot, especially when it's curly. I just feel like it's pulling my hair a lot more with the comb than without it, so I'm just gonna take it off. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish my hair on 365 degrees Fahrenheit without the comb. I'll be right back with the final results. Alright guys, so here's my final look. This is what my hair looks like. I mean, look at that shine. I didn't even put anything on my hair before straightening it. Like, it just looks so shiny. It's insane. This straightener is super good. I really recommend this. It's very inexpensive, $45. You get really, really good results. So the comb, I love that it is removable because that way if you don't like it, you just don't have to use it, and that's it. You still have a great straightener. But if you like this, you can put it back on, you know what I mean? I wasn't really a fan of this on curly hair, but I feel like on straight hair it's not bad. I would just totally recommend this. This really leaves your hair super shiny, and I don't know how, but it left my hair very, very shiny. Anyways guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And if you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.